In 1961, Peter Mitchell proposed a mechanism called the Chemiosmotic Mechanism to describe how the mitochondrion fuels ATP production. He proposed that a gradient of protons forms across the inner mitochondrial membrane and that the movement of protons down this gradient into the matrix provides the energy to produce ATP. What experiments supported this hypothesis? In one experiment, the investigators manipulated the pH of the compartments on either side of the inner mitochondrial membrane. In this example, which side of the membrane would represent pH 7 and which would represent pH 8? Drag the answers to the appropriate boxes. The investigators began by immersing isolated mitochondria in a medium at pH 8. All compartments